In the heart of the mountain, unity is strength. People of this village gather with a single purpose to carry a heavy log that will save to the animals to cross the stream. Before the journey begins, the villagers prepare the log. Thick ropes are tied firmly around it, creating handles so six strong men can lift together. Every knot is checked with K because the mountain top balance means safety. With teamwork and planning, a heavy burden becomes possible to carry. They take strong ropes, loop them around carefully, tightening knots so the log can lift evenly. They tied the rope firmly. Any single mistake risked their life. The old mountain bridge had served for a long time. Now they become too narrow to cross their guards and sheep safely. The villagers decided to widen the bridge by carrying a heavy log there and repair the bridge to ensure the safety of the animal. They take the first step out of the village, moving in rhythm, while others encourage them. With a deep breath and united strength, the villagers lift the heavy log on the shoulder, step by step. They begin that journey across the rugged mountain path. The weight is great, but so the determination. Each stride is guided by trust in one another. For only together can they reach the bridge and widen it. The path is narrow and uneven. Stone slips under their feet, yet they move carefully. The log presses on their shoulder, sweat drips from their brows. After a stretch, they sit it down gently, taking a short rest. This work is strenuous, but they are enjoying what they enjoy. Now they are ready to take rests. They are taking rest now for a short while. Their destination is the stream. Now people carry the heavy log down the slope. Special care is needed because the path is steep and slippery. One wrong move means a fall. But together they balance the weight and move forward with courage. Now the risky path has ended. They have now about to reach to their destination. There is the old bridge. The old bridge had served for a long time here. Now they have reached They are untying the ropes. The old bridge becomes nearer to cross the goats and sheep safely. Therefore, the villagers have decided to widen the bridge by turning very long and return the bridge. This is the old and mirror. They are observing carefully. To fit this heavy log in the middle of this bridge, they are measuring. They are discussing. The heavy log is brought to near the old bridge. Now the men place it carefully in the middle of the bridge. This is a very dangerous task. This will widen the bridge for safe crossing for animals. Step by step, the repair takes place. They are placing the stone in the middle. Put the heavy log there, throwing the stone and rejecting it. They have special skill to put the stone there. This man has great experience, so he is trying. Everybody is following his instruction.
ईशान यहाँ आ गया माखिर जीत को आगे जो ईशान क्यों क्या ना फायदा मत तो कोई वजन को ज़्यादा आगे जो मासूम ये पट्टी जिंदा है वो तो दे दो
Now the log is placed in the middle of the bridge. Villagers filling the gap with stone. Bridge taking its final shape. Safe path built teamwork. They are using nails to make it strong, filling the gap with stone so that it becomes easier path for the goats and sheep. Everybody is busy in their work. This is the fruit of teamwork. They are carrying suitable stones from here and there. bridge is ready. Now goats and sheep are crossing and they're enjoying.